Imagine this. You pop a Viagra, or apply Eroxon gel, expecting fireworks tonight, but what if I told you? Just 4 hours of sleep can almost kill the entire effect. Yes, even the strongest pills may fail if your body is running on low sleep. Shocked? You should be. Most men think performance pills are like magic buttons. Take it, and boom, it works. But here's the hidden truth. Your body isn't a machine. Without rest, your blood vessels, your testosterone, and even your brain signals slow down. And these are the exact things that Viagra, Cialis, or Eroxon need to work. Think about it. If your blood pressure is weak, your testosterone is suppressed, and your brain is exhausted, do you really think a pill alone can save you? Here's the science no one talks about. Poor sleep lowers nitric oxide, the key chemical that helps Viagra and Cialis open up blood flow. Just one night of short sleep can drop testosterone by up to 15%. Even Eroxon gel, which works locally, depends on your body's natural energy and blood circulation. So yes, if you're running on 3-4 hours of broken sleep, the pill you're taking might be giving you half the results, or even less. The truth is, pills aren't destroyed by poor sleep, but your body is. Which means the pill has nothing to work with. Think of it like pouring fuel into a car with a dead engine. It won't move. That's why thousands of men complain. I took Viagra, but it didn't feel as strong. Or Eroxon gel worked once but not the second time. The missing piece isn't the pill, it's your sleep. So, does poor sleep destroy sex performance, even with pills? The answer is yes, absolutely. If you want your pill to work harder, longer, and faster, fix your sleep first, because without it, no pill can save you. And in my next video, I'll reveal the one secret routine that maximizes both your sleep and your pill's effect. Don't miss it.